Want to make your lock screen smarter than others with animations on your Samsung phone? Well, in this video I'm gonna demonstrate you how to add lock screen animations on your phone. So let's dive into it. Open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Wallpaper and Style. Then tap on Change Wallpapers. Now scroll down to the bottom. Next, tap on the More icon of the Galaxy themes. And then tap on Get More Wallpapers from the bottom. Again, scroll down. Here you can see the animated lock screen. If you tap on More icon, then you will see so many animations for your wallpaper. Tap on any animation you want to set. If you want to see the preview, just tap on the YouTube Shorts icon here. After that, tap on Download from the bottom, and then tap Apply. Now tap Done from the top right corner. Now go ahead and check your lock screen. Hope it works. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.